RGC stock is defying all the odds and has gone to print an all-time high of 65.20. If you take this high of 45.95 and this low of 41.66, you have a difference of um, 4.29, 4.29 multiplied by 1.618. You have 6.94. You add that to the current price of 52.5. We have 59.44. So that's what am I talking about? That is already has already been printed. So the probability of that printing is there because it has already printed, as you can see. It has printed 65.20. So the probability of 59.44 printing is always there. So we stick to that and also project again. So we have 59.44 for RGC. We have we've got 4.29 multiplied by 2.618. We have 11.23. We add that to the current price of 53.45. We have 64.68 still. It's something it has already printed, 64.68. So we might just go ahead and project further. Okay, so 64.68. So we have 4.29 multiplied by 3.618. We have 15.52. Add that to the current price, 53.45. We have 68.97, 68.97. Unbelievable stuff. And the stock, you know very well, has a very low float, and we have been projecting and speculating that there might be a chance that they might do a split at some point. I'm still maintaining that that might happen. I'm still maintaining that that might happen. So you just have to be very much wary of that. Just be very much wary of that. Yeah, just unbelievable stuff. And the 200-day moving average has now suddenly awoken. All the other moving averages, you can see them, they're all moving up. So strength is expected to, okay, look, we have momentum is expected to continue to decay up to Tuesday the 25th on this 4 hour chart. But it's not, like I mentioned in the past, because it's the momentum is waning does not mean that the stock may not continue to go up. It's just that, for instance, when it was here, when it was spiking around here, you can see it was spiking from the lows of around five, even 4.41. So, but volatility will most certainly be on the rise. So if it's going to print $68, even if not maybe $80, that's nothing compared to it's spiking from $4 to eight. From $4 to $8 is massive, is 100%. But from the current levels now, which is around 50 something dollars to maybe $80, that is not that's a quarter. That's about a quarter of what it has done before. So that's why you probably have the momentum waning like this. So, but extrapolation is to the upside, and for its 10 and 21-day moving averages, the wedge is also being formed here. So it's also portending that there's a good chance the stock might pull back into this space here and maybe consolidate. But we haven't seen that. Rather, we have seen that on this 4 hour chart that the 10-day moving average is serving as a primary demand line. We have seen that here. This one came up on the 17th, Monday, the 17th of March. And then, even though this is not very close, but it could be. If it's within one standard deviation, you could still count it. So let's count that: two, three, four, five times in the space of face of 4 trading sessions. It has done that. And it's just that of data has even gotten the angle of attack is a lot steeper now, especially on this 4 hour chart, which brings to the light the prospect that a pullback is very much likely. So we could let's see now, put the data here on Claude to see what time it's going to give us. Let's do this. Let's put the data for the 4 hour chart into Claude for it to analyze for us, and then it's just pretty much going to tell us the sort of things we already know. Yeah, let's see. Just something for us to read, something for us to digest. Okay, yeah, price action, daily change. Okay, let me see, previous day change. Okay, we don't need all of those. Technical indicator. This stock is trading well above all of its simple moving averages on this 4 hour chart. Yeah, you can see that. This indicates a strong uptrend, and the stock has been consistently gaining value over time. Notable observations: the stock experienced a remarkable 46.25% gain yesterday, which suggests a significant event or a new catalyst. Today's trading has been relatively flat, 0.5 so far, which would indicate, okay, so in consolidation. Okay, so the stock is trading approximately 43.7% above its 10-day SMA, suggesting it might be overbought in the short term. Yeah. The wide gap between the SMA 200 and the current price of SMA's 200 is 7.38, and the current price is 54.4, shows tremendous growth over the long term. The stock is trading at more than 7 times its 200-day moving average. Forecast and predictions: the WTAR appears to be closely aligned with the current SMA values rather than predicting future price movements. The PPM one momentum indicator suggests potential continued momentum with high derivative values. Okay, so okay, this is the PPM model. This is the PPM. I'm not seeing that here. This is what we're looking at here. Okay, okay. Well, actually, yes. Let's see now from here. Okay, I'm not seeing any of those. I'm seeing weakness. Strange why it's giving me that. Okay, so given the dramatic price increase recently, current investors might consider taking partial profits while maintaining a core position. For potential new investors waiting for a pullback or consolidation, might provide a better entry point. The stock's technical position appears very strong, but the sharp recent gains may not be sustainable in the very short term. Yeah. So yeah, that's what's going on, and I'll put this in the description box below for you to digest. So thank you very much for watching this video.